Chameleons possess an extraordinary ability to change color, but what if this incredible trait is being misinterpreted by artificial intelligence? The consequences of such misclassifications could be dire. Our understanding of chameleons is under threat not from nature, but from rapidly advancing technology. As AI evolves, it often overlooks the critical details of how these creatures adapt and survive. What happens when the tools we trust misread the natural world? Chameleons change color to communicate, regulate their body temperature, and blend into their surroundings. Each shift is a complex response to their environment. If AI fails to recognize these adaptations, we risk losing vital insights into evolutionary biology, and the stakes are enormous. Imagine observing a chameleon in a vibrant forest, seamlessly merging with its surroundings. Now envision an AI program labeling its color change simply as green, ignoring the subtle variations and their meanings. This is just a minor error, it's a significant oversight with far-reaching implications. Scientists rely on precise data to understand ecosystems. If AI misinterprets these adaptations, how can we ensure our conservation efforts are sound? What if the survival of an entire species hinges on these seemingly small details? As this situation unfolds, reflect on your role. You may not be a scientist, but you consume data and make decisions based on it. If that data is flawed, what does it mean for you? Your choices could be based on a distorted view of reality, and this pressing issue is flying under the radar for many. So, what can we do? The first step is awareness. Engage with the complexities of nature. Support research that emphasizes accurate classifications and advocate for technology that respects the intricacies of evolution. In a world where AI shapes our understanding of life, do we want to risk losing the truth of nature to a machine's misinterpretation? The choice is yours. Remember, every detail counts, and your perspective could truly make a difference. What if I told you chameleons are more than just lizards that change color? Fire like quiet messengers of stress, concealing their true feelings right before our eyes. We often overlook how our perceptions of nature can mislead us. Chameleons don't just change colors for camouflage, they communicate something much deeper. Currently, there's a hidden crisis in evolutionary biology that we must address. Many people are unaware of how AI misclassifications might disrupt our understanding of these fascinating creatures. The algorithms designed to study animal behavior may overlook crucial signals. Imagine walking through a lush forest and spotting a chameleon. It's vibrant and shifting colors, but what if it's not just for show? What if it's actually stressed and technology misinterprets this as a beautiful display? This misunderstanding could mislead researchers, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. When AI misclassifies these signals, it can have serious consequences for conservation efforts and our grasp of evolutionary biology. Picture researchers relying on faulty data, believing chameleons are thriving when, in reality, they are under significant stress. It's like a ticking time bomb. Now, let's relate this to our daily lives. Have you ever felt misunderstood? Perhaps you've been overwhelmed, but chose to put on a brave face. Just like the chameleon, your true feelings might be hidden beneath the surface. Misreading signals can lead to misguided action efforts that could do more harm than good. Chameleons might be trying to communicate something vital, yet we're too busy admiring their beauty to notice. So what can we do? Awareness is the first step. We need to critically examine the data we encounter, especially from algorithms that lack emotional insight. Just like chameleons, we should learn to recognize the subtle signs of stress in ourselves and others. Take a moment to reflect. Are you overlooking the silent signals in your own life? This is a gentle reminder to pay closer attention, whether in nature or in your relationships. As we wrap up, remember this: just because something looks vibrant doesn't mean it's truly thriving. Are you ready to look beyond the surface? What if I told you that a chameleon's colors hold secrets that go beyond what meets the eye? Picture a creature that can blend into its surroundings, not just for camouflage, but to adapt and survive in a constantly changing environment. But here's the catch: there's a hidden risk involved. Artificial intelligence is stepping into the realm of evolutionary biology and misclassifying these incredible color changes, a serious issue that many people don't even recognize. When you see a chameleon change colors, it's not just a stunning display, it's a response to its environment, a sign of stress, or an indicator of health. But what if I, with its algorithms and data, misinterprets this? What does that mean for our understanding of evolution? Imagine you're observing a chameleon in the wild, believing you know why it's turning a vibrant green. What if I suggests it's simply about blending in? You could miss the bigger picture, that this color change might signal a critical shift in its habitat or well-being. The risks don't stop there. Misclassifying these adaptations could have serious consequences for conservation efforts. Imagine a world where the